So I will introduce, let me start introducing
Good afternoon,
myself.
everybody.
Good afternoon. I am Major General Shripal from Bunkerman, speaking from
Sir,
Bunkerman
अपना म्यूट
House.
है शायद.
And Mr. Abhishek Kumar is from our Bunkerman team. Mr. Devnath is also from Bunkerman team. He has come from the site of Guwahati Refinery after installing the system. And Mr. Surya Bhagawan is from IOCL. He is an electrical manager from Guwahati Refinery. He is the man on ground. So we are waiting for him to get the actual feedback from the ground. Geetika Gupta is also part of Bunkerman team. Shnaya Madan Bhatia is our authorized channel partner, and she is also, I think, representing the press. Mr. Surya Bhagwan is posted as electrical engineer. We would like to listen 2 sentences of introduction from you, Mr. Surya.
Sir, myself Surya, working in Guwahati Refinery, looking after AC and telecom sections. I joined IOCL years ago.
Oh, sorry. Continue, please.
No, just completed. I just joined 10 years ago.
Okay, thank you. Today we have assembled here to hear more from Mr. Surya, gentlemen. As you know, about 18 months back, we have started a pilot project at Guwahati Refinery. It was at the initiative of Mr. Basumatari, the refinery head, and Mr. Soman Chakravarti, who was in the seat earlier where Mr. Surya is posted now. He was manager electrical. So we started about 1.5 years back. This was a small project in their DDCS control center, and we executed it. And then we promised them that we will give you a system which can solve your problem. So their basic problem was of corrosion control, because it is a data center, DDS control center. Their computers, their all electronic parts were getting corroded. Basically, silver and copper parts were getting corroded by the toxic gases. So we suggested a solution to them. And let me tell you, I, as Bunkerman, was only in the field of removing CO2 and VOCs from the indoor environment. But after having my interaction with Guwahati Refinery, I learned more number of gases. There are more than 25 gases, very toxic gases in refineries. So we carried out experiment on their gases, their requirement. And today, gentlemen, I can say with pride that today we can remove any type of pollution from the air, whether indoor or outdoor, including the highly toxic gases which are present in the refinery. So now, gentlemen, we promised them that our filters will last minimum for 12 months. There was a guarantee.
I'm in the meeting. Tell me quickly.
So in fact, Mr. Soman Chakravarti called me, sir, what will happen if it doesn't last 12 months? So myself and Devnath, we were ready to replace the filters at any moment within 12 months of time, because this was first trial for us also. We had used these type of technology somewhere else, but in civil, this was also our first experience at that level where this technology was being used. But to our luck, when we started checking it, we were getting the filters checked every quarterly. After every 3 months, we used to get one used filter, and then in laboratory in Baddi, we were checking what is the residual capacity of our filters. And we were surprised that our filters have proved much better than we expected them to perform. And therefore, after completion of 12 months defect liability period or our contract period, I especially requested Mr. Soman Chakravarti and others in the Guwahati Refinery, sir, let this system continue for another few months. And the moment there is an indication that they are near saturation, we will replace the filters. So to our good luck and to the performance of our system, gentlemen, the filters have run satisfactorily, continuously for 18 months now. This was installed in July 2004. Now we are in 2024. In July 2024, the system was installed and started. It was inaugurated after 1 month of trial testing on 9th August 2024. And today we are in January 2026, gentlemen. The systems have performed perfectly well. And we will listen more about this from Mr. Ravindra Devnath. He has come recently from the refinery. So first we will listen to his views. And I request Mr. Surya and Mr. Devnath, please convey your free and frank views about this performance. Whatever you have observed, good or bad, please bring out all the points and also give your suggestions in future what improvement we can do in this technology. So from here, I hand over to Mr. Ravindra Devnath. First, we would like to listen your report after you have visited Guwahati refinery now. And so please convey your report. What is this system? How it is working?
Good afternoon, everybody. And the couple of points we'd like to share with you what I have seen during the recent visit in Guwahati. Of course, we have delivered all the items for the next AMC annual maintenance contract. So before that, I thought that let me just check the filters and the ambience prevailing there. So I visited there, and then we observed that still the G1 condition is prevailing. There are 3 meters which they're showing that yes, the copper reactivity and the silver reactivity is still within control, and then CO2 monitoring system we have there. So still we have seen that CO2 level is maintaining around 500 to 600 ppm. So well within the controls. And I checked with my some end users there. They're saying that yes, so far so it is running well, and we told them that now we are going to replace the filters and all, and I think things should be continued for next couple of months, a couple of years, 1.5 years or something like that, 18 months. Because we thought initially it will be running for 1 year. Now I can see that after 18 months also it is running well within the control. So probably our client will tell you the details further, what is their experience. So, but we thought let's share my experience, what I have witnessed in my last visit. So over to you, Surya sir, please.
Mr. Devnath, you also tell how many air changes are running now? ACH, air changes per hour, or one or
Yeah,
two
air change actually what they do. Initially, they were doing the everyday air change for 1 air change in 24 hours for every day. Now they have extended, the air change. They're going for I think 2 to 3 days also, or sometime in a week's time. So 1 air change per day, something like that. They are doing it now at present.
Okay. Yes, thank you, Devnath. Balance, we will like to hear from Mr. Surya, who is there as electrical manager on the site. Sir, can you give us what is the present state of the system? Are you satisfied? Is the CO2 level, VOC level, and G1 conditions for corrosion are being maintained? And how do you suggest any more suggestion you do? And also, I think Mr. Soman Chakravarti has come. He is there. We will also like to have his views. So first over to Mr. Surya. Yeah, please.
We take the privilege to introduce Soman Chakravarti in this, I should say, mission. Mr. Soman Chakravarti is basically, I'm working with him for last 3 years. And he is the engineer who has taken bold decisions on this technology, which is absolutely new for them as well. Although they are suffering for the indoor air quality as far as the G1 condition is concerned, but he has taken this one step ahead of achieving the net zero target what IOCL has been assigned with. So with that, he kept on pursuing us that whether you can do this along with the G1 condition. So he has given a lot of information also to control the G1 conditions, what they are doing. So he is a part of our entire innovations on the G1 conditions control, apart from CO2, sir. He personally take the pain to come down to our R&D center in Baddi. He has seen all the details, what he wanted to see and pursue it. That yes, ultimately end users should be benefited out of it. So it's a really wonderful working with him last 3 years, and hope I will continue to do that along with Suryaji. Thank you, sir, for
Yes,
your
I second
really.
it. Whatever Mr. Devnath has said, I haven't much more to say, but I will cover it later on. We'll come back
Yes,
to
sir.
Mr. Soman Chakravarti later on. I think we interrupted Mr. Surya. Yeah, Mr. Surya, first we would like to listen what is the present condition of this particular project, and then we'll definitely come back to Mr. Soman Chakravarti, who is the founder of this pilot project. Yeah, over to Mr. Surya.
By the time actually I transferred from Paradip Refinery, it is already commissioned and working fine. From last 8 months, the values, the corrosion levels, all are within the limits. And also the Devanath team and their persons are periodically visit and they check the quality of the air, the system parameters and chemical media. All are working fine. If any modifications are required, they are suggest. But till now, system is working very fine. I think past 18 months the system is commissioned and working fine, and there is no complaints from our side. I hope future also looking like that only. I think for the system as a maintenance, it is very good to maintain the system, less complaints and more advantages, and also environment friendly, net zero initiative, and also our equipments like DCS control room. There are very sensitive equipments, data storages and transfers, copper. These are very sensitive metals. For
Yes.
that, corrosive removal is a very critical process. But I think Bunkerman and team they succeed the mission, and we achieved the I think what we required achieved the target. And also I hope Bunkerman and team will go beyond this Guwahati refinery and all other IOCL refineries and critical infrastructures. My suggestion is to not only enter the refineries and also maybe in some other hospitals and commercial areas also. Maybe I think looking for the and also small portable equipments also. If it is planned, maybe it is better. Uh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes. Thank you, Mr.
Yes, sir.
Surya.
I'll,
And thank you for
I'll
giving.
take the privilege to add one this thing that with the experience what Suryaji has, he is also proposing to do their admin building net zero. So we are working together with him, and we have taken up the project with him, with his
Yes,
all
sir. Thank
directions and advices. So hope we'll be able to make their admin building in future net zero very
Yes,
soon.
yes. I think what is the
Yes,
ton capacity required you suggested for admin building?
Admin building actually actual tonnage with the standard air conditioning and the air changes. What normally SHA suggests, it is coming around 350 ton. But we are
300.
doing with a net zero equipment of bunkermans and this thing. We are achieving by 160 ton, almost half.
Wow. Super.
Of. And you will get this entire payback on the investment of the deep bedded scrubbers, deep bedded air decon within 3 years of time.
Okay.
So after that, it will be of free of cost. Uh, so you are saving almost more than a crore on the chiller plant, and the refund you get on investment of the this net zero equipment within 3 years time, less than 3 years time, I should say. So entire details already I mailed to you. So we'll discuss further on that issues.
Okay, okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Good. Thank you. And thank you, Mr. Surya. And regarding your suggestions, yes, we are very much aware of this. You have rightly given the suggestion that other than the refineries, this system should be used in other department, other areas also. And I want to share with you that for past about 3 years, we were trying to educate the public about this particular technology. Firstly, the technology was such that nobody believed this. About 3 years back, when I opened this technology for civil market in one of the international conference, even the persons from Israel did not believe it. They say it's not possible to capture carbon dioxide. It is not that easy. We are trying for last about 20 years. We have not been successful. But today, they are fully convinced. They have joined us. And let me also tell you, this technology is already approved now officially by DRDO, Ministry of Defense, by Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Science and Technology, DST, and also so many state governments. Yesterday only we received very encouraging letter from government of Gujarat. They have already accepted this technology and instructions have been passed to their pollution control board to use this technology wherever possible. Similarly, there is very encouraging remarks, the feedback obtained from government of Karnataka, government of Himachal Pradesh, government of Uttarakhand, so many states, and government of UP. On our recommendation, they have already started giving carbon credits to farmers in UP. UP is the first state government, and now other states are following it. Government of Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, and probably Delhi also will follow it now. Our proposal has been examined by government of Delhi because they were looking for a solution to solve this problem of rising pollution in Delhi, which is very bad. Even Supreme Court is seeking for a solution. So we have given our solution to them that this is the technology which has immediate solution as well as a long-term solution. So I think the government of India has, government of Delhi has examined it, and they have already given in writing that this is one of the technology which can remove the carbon content to a large extent, and this will also help us in reducing the global warming and climate change. I think slowly and slowly this technology is being accepted now in civil, in many departments, even in hotels, hospitals, private houses, private offices, even in factories. We have got demand, and some of our systems are working. Already smaller systems are working for past about 2 years and working very satisfactorily. So thank you very much, Mr. Surya. We'll come back to you. And now I come back to Mr. Soman Chakravarti, gentlemen. Firstly, I have no words to praise him because I have served in government department, and generally for a new technology, there is a lot of hesitation in the minds of the people who are sitting on authority of power in these departments. And IOCL is not different. It is as good as government department. So you are aware of the rules, regulations there. So firstly, it is because of the initiative of Mr. Soman Chakravarti, gentlemen, this pilot project has been successfully completed, and it is possible. So he, as Mr. Devnath said, he came to Baddi. He saw each and every test before awarding the work to us. And even he was not believing on our technology. In fact, the first impression was, Mr. Soman Chakravarti, you must be remembering, when we were telling you that, sir, we will remove CO2. So they said, no, CO2 is not a problem here. It is only corrosion. You remove corrosion, don't touch CO2. So, but we said, no, we will give you CO2 removal and TVOC removal also. And now, gentlemen, I have spoken to the persons who are staying there. They are very happy. The staff of IOCL who stays inside this data center, they conveyed me कि सर पहले तो यहाँ दम घुटता था, सफोकेशन होता था, हमको बीच बीच में बाहर जाना पड़ता था, और आज इतना अच्छा एटमॉस्फेयर मिल रहा है हमको इंडोर एयर क्वालिटी कि वी डोंट फील लाइक गोइंग आउटसाइड नाउ. हम यहीं रहते हैं, ना सर दर्द होता है, ना हमें थकान महसूस होती है, क्योंकि CO2 लेवल 500-550 ppm से अभी आगे नहीं बढ़ा है. दिस इज आल्सो सरप्राइज टू मी. आई वाज थिंकिंग कि शायद 1 साल बाद या 14 महीने बाद बढ़ना शुरू हो जाएगा, बट ये नहीं बढ़ रहा है. क्यों नहीं बढ़ रहा है? इसका कारण ये है क्योंकि दे वर अर्लियर यूजिंग नंबर ऑफ एयर चेंजेस पर आवर. देवनाथ इज सेइंग 1 एयर चेंजेस, लेकिन एक से ज्यादा भी यूज करते थे. नाउ फर्स्ट थिंग वी हैव रिक्वेस्टेड देम कि प्लीज स्टॉप दिस एयर चेंज पर आवर. यू नीड only 1 air change in 24 hours maximum. So firstly, thank you, Mr. Soman Chakravarti. I think आपकी तारीफ में जितना कहूं मैं उतना कम है. Otherwise, Mr. Soman Chakravarti, you can start. चलिए, अगर बंद हो जाता तो we'll again come back. Yeah, Mr. Soman, what is your impression about this? And firstly, thank you very much. I have no words to show my indebtedness to you. The way you conducted, you took it, and congratulations for the award which you got. Mr. Soman Chakraborty got Green Leadership Award was given to his boss, and he got the, I think, Green Technology Award based on his paper, research paper he presented here in Delhi as a case study of this pilot project on Guwahati refinery. Yeah, over to Mr. Soman Chakraborty.
Yeah, good afternoon. Thank you, Dr. Shripal. And good afternoon to all the audience who have been present here and listening patiently to Dr. Shripal and his beautiful concept of net zero. So I have been always a very much frontier for taking this net zero everywhere. So initially, I was challenged with the task of removing corrosive gases from our DDCS plant. As you know, that in industry this has always been a factor, the corrosion that is involved in the data centers and as well as our DDCS systems. So corrosive is a major factor, and it is said 20 to 30% failures that occur in DDCS plants are because of corrosive gases. So my main project was to remove those corrosive gases, and in my journey I met Devnath ji and Dr. Shripal. So from them I came to know about the concept of CO2 absorption also. So which was not my primary concern at that moment. But when I went deeper into this thing, there were many associated benefits that came with this. One of the associated benefits was that the chiller capacity of the air conditioning plant was reducing significantly, as well as I primarily observed that during the peak summer, the power savings also reached as much as 30%. And I am saying this very conservatively, as with the limited data I am saying this very conservatively. It might be more than that during the peak summer, but I'm saying conservative. At least it went to up to 30%. So when I go and so the world moving towards a net zero now, and with this pilot project also, we have achieved not 100, even though I consider it's not 100%, but yes, up to some extent. And this is a baton, this is a torchlight that would take us to the future. Yeah, so I was there where I'm saying that this was a pilot project that was introduced by Dr. Shripal to us, and we had commissioned this in Guwahati refinery initially. And yes, we have saw it physically and witnessed it that it has been successfully capturing carbon dioxide for the last 1.5 years, and probably recently we have also replaced our chemical filters after satisfactory. They have worked for around 18 months. So though I was saying just that, though we haven't achieved 100% of net zero thing, but because of our design and our conservativeness about the system, so we didn't go for full-fledged implementation of the same, but we did this in a pilot way, and now we are quite confident that this will work, and this has a long way to go. So that was it. I am doing this in a short way. That was I'm saying that it additionally, along with capturing carbon dioxide also, it has significantly reduced the levels of corrosive gases that is generated in industrial process plants like refineries and all, which has been a major contributor to corrosion of our PLC cards and our semiconductor devices that has been installed all over the place. So the target we have achieved through this, we have successfully met our standards as well as gone a step ahead with the net zero facility. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Soman. Thank you very much. And we are happy that the project which you started, it is running satisfactorily, and you are still there. You must be getting all the feedback. And we look forward for other improvements in this in future. I think, yeah, anybody wants to ask any question? I think Mr. Devnath and Mr. Soman are there. Mr. Surya has also joined. Yeah. So you can publish, Mr. Rohit, no problem. And any questions you have, you can ask us. I think Mr. Devnath, Mr. Soman, and Mr. Surya are there. And I'm always there at your service to reply anything. But it is better if you listen this from the horse's mouth, the people who are on ground, who have executed it and who are the users. So Mr. Soman Chakraborty and Mr. Surya are from IOCL Guwahati refinery. Mr. Devnath is providing all the services, maintenance, He is the person who was responsible for installation, and he is having a dual role. He is part of Bunkerman, and he is also the executive on ground. There it is better if you listen to their views and their comments.
Okay. Thank
Yes, Rohit Kumar, question you are free to ask him. Yeah.
No, I'm able to understand all the project, and it is really very success. Very congratulations to you that the project has been
Thank you.
succeed.
Thank you. Thank you. Acha, anyone who wants to ask me anything, Mr. Surya or Mr. Chakravarti, anything which I can clarify? Shania Madan.
Anji, Anji, I just wanted to ask that are the filters going to be changed now anytime soon, or they're going to be the old filters are going to work?
Okay, can I take this question, sir?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, Devnath.
Yes, we have last December 26th, we have delivered entire filters. Now they have done just recently they have completed those inspections. There is a procedure, So they have once they complete the inspection, they give a report, and then we can install it. So probably in a 2 weeks time, we'll be able to replace all the filters. Although they are running, but then we are going to replace them.
Thank you.
And we are guaranteeing them again for 12 months. They will run for 12 months minimum. Now you will ask me a question that if they have been satisfactorily running for 18 months, why are you restricting at 12 months? So, ladies and gentlemen, there is something called as factor of safety in every design. So, though we designed this system for 12 months period, but we have to provide service for more than 12 months. And that's why their filters have run satisfactorily for good about 18 months. But guarantee is only for 12 months. So the system will not fail because it is a very important installation where these systems are being used. Their entire refinery is being controlled from this DDCS control center. Imagine if there is a downtime here of this DDCS control center, then entire refinery working will get affected adversely. So we are happy to note that during past about 18 months time, there is no downtime. Basically, the system was working 24 hours continuously. 24 hours continuously for last 18 months, gentlemen. It is running. And only one air change is required in 24 hours. As per our calculation, they don't need air change even for 2 to 3 weeks. We have shown them the calculation. But initially there was hesitation, so we permitted them one air change in 24 hours. At night, they provide just one air change.
I'm just interrupting Dr. Shripal 1 second. So I think I have attended this beautiful meeting. So I have some stuff to do. So I would be leaving the meeting as of now. If that's okay with all of you.
No, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Soman. Thank you from my side. Thank you very much. Once again, we will speak to later on one-to-one. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Soman. Yeah. Anyone else? Any questions, please? Otherwise, we will close the meeting with a thanking note to Mr. Surya, Devnath, and all others. Yeah. Anyone? Any other question?
Sir, I have one question. Surya.
Yeah. Surya, yeah.
Sir, the filters you are using, how many years or time period is there anything to replace that?
Devnath, you will take or I should answer this?
Actually, Suryaji, we have initially thought that this will run minimum 12 months. Now, since we have, it is gone up to 18 months. But what I understand from Somenji that you have some protocol, like every chemical filter has to be replaced in a year's time. That's what I've been suggested. Although you have extended it to say another 6 months. So the protocol is that IOCL advise that any chemical filter should be replaced within a year. So we are going by that at present.
Okay.
Okay. May I submit few more lines on this? Okay. Gentlemen, these filters are supplying in totally sealed condition. When the filter goes from the factory, it is totally sealed, hermetically sealed. No air should come in contact with our material. Because if air comes with our material, whatever carbon dioxide or toxic gases are present in the air, our filters may absorb that by default also. So as long as you keep these filters in a sealed condition, as dispatched from the factory, the filter's shelf life can be from 2 years to 5 years. Nothing goes bad in this filter material. The system has been so designed, and we are using the filters in our factory, in our laboratory. We have tested them up to 3 years. The filters are functioning very good, 100% intact. So the shelf life of the filters is more than 2 years. We guarantee it. But it should not be opened. The moment you open a filter, obviously then guarantee ends there only. Then it will last only for 12 months. And why I am saying 12 months? Because the basic concept is that we absorb the pollutants into these Bunkerman filters, and our filter material gets enriched. And we convert the used filters, the saturated filters material is used by us to make mineral-rich organic manure. That is the whole concept of this Bunkerman technology, because we are collecting the pollution from the air environment, whether indoor or outdoor. And once filters get saturated after 12 months, we need these filters back to make the mineral-rich organic manure. So we'll replace the filters after 12 months. So otherwise, you will not be fulfilling that requirement of cleaning the environment. Because one of the requirements of this Bunkerman technology is to clean the environment continuously. We have to reverse this global warming and climate change. That is the concept. So I also suggest that we must replace the filters after about 1 year. If system fails, if let us say some filters do not perform, we can replace them even before 12 months. But after 12 months, we should not run them unnecessarily. First trial we have done, we have run it for 18 months just to have a confidence in our technology that yes, filters will not fail. Let us say, कहीं कुछ late हो गया 1 महीना 2 महीना, so the system should not fail. Because if system fails, then it will fetch a very bad name to our Bunkerman company, Bunkerman technology. It is good that our filters have performed for 18 months instead of 12 months. But imagine what would have happened if these filters would have exhausted within 10 months' time. Then the Guwahati refinery will be after our blood. कि आपने तो 12 महीने promise किया था, 10 महीने में कैसे fail हो गया? So I do not want that. So I have already designed the system in such a way that there is some redundancy, there is a factor of safety inbuilt, and this is required in every design. Anything you design, you have to have a factor of safety. You have to have some percentage of redundancy. So in this, we have kept about 40 to 50% redundancy or factor of safety in filters, because this is a question of life of a person. The people have to stay inside. Even in button-up mode, they have to survive. Therefore, we cannot take a chance in design of these filters, and filters have been safely designed. That's what Mr. Soman Chakravarti is also saying, that I am giving you the estimate on conservative side, and you have to be conservative in design. So, lot of conservativity has been considered by us. So, I hope I have cleared your question, Mr. Surya.
And one more, sir.
Yeah.
One more question. Sir, the delivery time from the data purchase order?
Delivery time will be as you want. We can provide it. We have provided the first load to you within 30 days time period. So delivery period, don't worry. Now the production is increasing. The moment you give us an order, within about 30 days, the items will reach you from the factory, from my factory. Otherwise, we will have a stock in Guwahati itself. Mr. Devnath is having his office in Guwahati itself. There will be other users also. All refineries from Assam are approaching us, even other users. So we will have enough stock of these filters readily available within Assam only, close to Guwahati. So don't worry, within 30 days time, the filters will reach you.
Okay, thank you.
After placing the order. Thank you. Anything else?
From my side is okay. I'm here.
Okay, thank you very much, gentlemen. Thank you. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Shanaya. Thank you, Krishna. Kishan Sharma ji, Abhishek, Geetika, close the meeting, and thank you very much for this feedback. It is very extremely useful to us, and it gives us a different type of pleasure, satisfaction to listen from the user's mouth. So for that matter, I'm thankful to Mr. Surya and Mr. Soman Chakravarti for giving this wonderful feedback. Now, other people will have more confidence in this technology because they are already approaching us that this technology has been successful at Guwahati in a pilot project, and this pilot project successful was very important for us. And we will keep serving you. There are other proposals also from Guwahati refinery and other refineries. So we will provide all the service, and we are also learning a lot of things from you practically on ground. And I fully acknowledge the type of experience, type of exposure I got after my interaction from these refineries. And thank you very much. Thank you, everybody.